Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about high status leadership language. Language reveals status. Let us choose words carefully. Careless language weakens perception. High status speakers remain concise. Concise language signals confidence. Powerful leaders avoid emotional wording. Emotion reduces strategic clarity. Professional language builds respect. Respect strengthens authority. Leaders describe reality clearly. Clarity reduces misunderstanding. They avoid unnecessary exaggeration. Exaggeration weakens credibility. Direct language creates efficiency. Efficiency improves leadership impact. Strong leaders frame solutions. Complaints weaken influence. Influential speakers stay composed. Composure stabilizes communication. Words must reflect discipline. Discipline strengthens leadership identity. Speak with calm authority. Authority attracts attention. Language shapes perception. Perception shapes leadership power. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.